I'm Leah and I am a decorative furniture painter with Leah Noell Design Co. And I was doing this really cool layered look that I know you guys love. So I'm gonna create a very layered, maybe even a little textured look. And then I'm going to paint this butterfly on there. I'm going to attempt to. I'm gonna do something new. All right, so this is pretty wet. So I'm just gonna kind of do a little more scraping here, just to kind of like encourage my paint colors to smear and to erase a little bit of the drippy drip. But this is just base coat 1. I'm thinking with the look I'm going for, I'm gonna be doing more than one application like this, but I will be doing like probably 2 applications like this at least, with the same colors. I probably won't switch my colors up at all. I'm using, the base coat is called Birchwood from Flea Market Decor, okay? You can get this on the Dixie Belle site. The next color is called Fluff, and that is like a white from Dixie Belle. And then the 2 bright colors are Stormy and Terracotta. This is Fluff. I'm just gonna add a little to my brush, and I'm gonna add it like sparingly. Like I don't want full coverage at all. I want it to look washed and worn, old, faded. So I'm gonna start up here in these corners and I'm just gonna scrape. This is Terracotta. But we're gonna let this dry. This is the first process, and we're gonna come back for the second process another time. So this is the first process of layering. It looks a little splotchy. It's okay. We're gonna be painting something over this. This is the background. My second process, I think I'm gonna use this color. It's called Rebel Yellow. Through it, I will layer Terracotta, Stormy Seas, and Fluff, which are all here, and the Rebel Yellow, I'll add that in there too. Then, depending on how it looks, I'll probably wash over it. I'll take like Birchwood or Fluff or whatever, because remember this butterfly is going over the side right here. So I'll take like Birchwood or Fluff or something, and I'll just really water that paint down till it's like water, like it's super thin. And then I'll wash over the whole thing, and then I'll go in with my butterfly. And that kind of tones down some of the layers for me. If you like the stronger layers, you don't have to do that. I'm just gonna go and do it again, and then I'll probably either leave it or wash over it with a very watered down paint, and that's called paint wash. Super simple, watered down paint, just to kind of knock the color down so it's like watercolory and transparent. So okay guys, that's all I have for you guys tonight. Thank you for joining me, but I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something, and until next time, I will see you later, and have a good night. Bye-bye.